Heard that you are looking for a one-stop solution for dietary supplements? Ingredients for You is proud to announce our brand NouriPack, which provides our clients with the one-stop services, enough for brands to go out and shine, without the business owners having to worry about ingredient sourcing, product manufacturing, packages, or even the supply chains. We offer the following products: tablets, Premix Powder, Softgels, Gummies, private label products. Now we have many products on sale: CLA 1000 mg Softgel, Coenzyme Q10 30 mg Softgel, Coenzyme Q10 100 mg Softgel, Coenzyme Q10 200 mg Softgel, EPO 800 mg Softgel, Omega 3.6.9 Softgel, EAA Powder. The MOQ for all Softgel is 300,000 grains, the production lead time is 45 days, the MOQ for EAA Powder is 1 ton, and the production lead time is a month. We have the following advantages: one-stop services, access to ingredients, quality control strict, smooth supply chain, low raw material cost. NouriPack is at your service anytime when needed. It's time to get ready for the Black Friday bash. Welcome to Inquire.